हॅलो मित्रांनो, वेलकम टू ई लर्निंग प्लॅटफॉर्म अँड इनिशिएटिव्ह बाय सायन्स पार्क सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे युनिव्हर्सिटी. मी डॉक्टर हर्षदा बाबरेकर. वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हिअर द मेजरमेंट ऑफ हीट अँड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ हीट. हो, तुम्ही थोडंसं आधी बघितलेलं आहे, पण आता आपण जसं पुढे जातो तसं अजून थोडंसं बघायला हवं. अजून डीपमध्ये आपण शिकत जाणार आहे. दिस इज कम्पॅटेबल टू स्टँडर्ड 8 of SSC board chapter number 14, that is particularly in Maharashtra. We are going to cover. We are going to revise sources of heat, transfer of heat, उष्णतेचे वहन, then effects of heat, उष्णतेचे परिणाम, flow of heat will be the new thing for you. आणि तो समजण्यासाठी आपण एक प्रयोग करणार आहोत. आणि हे सगळं झाल्यानंतर you are going to use your brain power. Let us revise quickly what we have studied earlier. Let us first start with the sources of heat. Which are the sources of heat? The major source of heat is sun. Its solar energy gives us heat. Why do we get heat from sun? It is because of nuclear fusion. You know that the sun has hydrogen nucleus. So when two hydrogen nuclei come together, they get fused, that is the meaning, forming helium nuclei, and hence during this process heat is generated. Then next is earth, that is the form of geothermal, that is at the center of the earth it is very hot, that is by nature. Next type is chemical form. So when we burn the fuel like wood, coal, the reaction between the fuel and oxygen takes place, and that is how the chemical reaction gives us some kind of heat. Then there is atomic source, that is because of nuclear fission. For sun we have seen for fusion. Fission is kind of breaking of bonds, something breaking, that energy is required. Then another is due to electrical appliances like heater or press. While ironing your clothes you use press, so electrical energy is converted to heat energy. Let us continue our revision with the types of heat transfer. How the heat is getting transferred? Yes, right. Conduction, convection and radiation. Let us quickly understand this and recollect our earlier terms from the image here. There is some liquid in the vessel which is kept on the heater. Because of the heat transfer through the... Now let us see what are the effects of heat. We have seen conduction, convection and radiation. What happens because of this? So because of this, the basic things which will happen are expansion and contraction. So what are the applications in day-to-day life? If you see the first image, that is, there is some metallic plate on the wheel of the bullock cart. If you observe carefully, if possible, you can go to villages where this is seen. There is some gap between two ends of this metallic plate. Also, there is some kind of swagging on the electric poles, swagging of wires. Also, one more image is there. When we see the change in the track of the railway, why this is there? If we do not want to see this kind of change in the track, we have to keep some gap between two ends of these metals. We know that metals are good conductors of heat. So always two ends are not connected for even bullock cart case or even for railway track. So there is some gap kept, or on the electric poles if wires are there, some extra length has been kept, Since we have seen earlier also, there is some kind of linear expansion during summer and contraction during winter. Now let us see one more effect of heat, that is state of matter changing. To understand that heat is a form of energy and it flows from higher temperature to lower temperature or from hot body to cold body. For that we will need the material, two transparent glasses, two food colors and a thermometer and a pen. So I am going to put this red color in B glass and this one, blue one, in A glass. Okay, I am considering that A is cold water. So let us pour cold water. I have taken the water from refrigerator. So I am going to pour this. I have boiled this water and I am going to put in B. In your case, please don't boil water and perform this experiment under adult supervision. Let us first note down the temperature of B, that is hot water. You have to wait for 1 minute to understand what is the temperature. So in my case, the temperature is 42 degrees Celsius. Whereas now let us measure the temperature for cold water. You have to shake thermometer and please be careful. It is 15 degrees Celsius. Now my first experiment will be, I am going to wrap my hands around hot water glass. After 10 minutes, I am going to remove my hands and again note down the temperature. It is 35 degrees Celsius in my case. Now we are going to perform same experiment for cold water glass. Let us wrap our hands around cold water. After 10 minutes, we are going to shake the thermometer again and note down the temperature. It is found to be 21 degrees Celsius. So now let us measure our body temperature also. The standard body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So with the help of adults, just put your thermometer here, wait for 1 minute and note down the temperature. It has come to be 36.5 in my case. 36.5 degrees Celsius, that is the precise answer. Let us make a table in which we are going to compare these temperatures. The first object is my body temperature, that is 36.5 degrees Celsius before and after the experiment also. Second object is hot water. Before wrapping my hands around glass, it was 42 degrees Celsius and after removing that, it was 35 degrees Celsius. And for cold water, before wrapping my hands, it was 15 degrees Celsius and after removing my hands, it was 21 degrees Celsius. That means that the hot water is going towards the warmer side. That meaning temperature is reducing. Whereas cold water is also becoming warmer but going towards higher side. The temperature is increasing. Whereas my body temperature was 36.5 degrees in both the cases. So my body is acting low temperature object for hot water and high temperature object for cold water. So can we say that the heat is flowing from hot side to cold side? Here is one question for you. Your mom has given you tiffin for school and packed with lid when food was little warm. You get the experience that the lid of your tiffin is not opening. Then what will you do? Why? तुमच्या आईने तुमच्यासाठी डबा पॅक केलाय